Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you are all doing good and fine. In today's world, for almost every activity, whether personal or business related activity, we rely on computer. Even computers have become the heart and backbone of the society today. In this video, we are going to see about what things have happened first in the computer world.
Number 1. The first ever registered domain name was symbolics.com. It was registered on March 15, 1985. According to Tech Theory, there are over 1 lakh new domains which are registered every day. One more fact is that until 14 September 1995, all the domain registration was completely free of cost. Number 2. Media sharing is a giant process right now in the world. In India, at an average 4.5 billion photos are being shared and uploaded on internet per day. But to the origin of all, the first picture ever uploaded on the internet was the comedy band called Les Horrible Serenities, and that image was posted on the internet by Tim Berners-Lee, the founder of the World Wide Web, on July 18, 1992. Number 3. Ada Lovelace has been called the world's first computer programmer. She wrote the world's first machine algorithm for an early computing machine that existed only on paper. Of course, someone had to be the first, but Lovelace was a woman, and this happened early 1840s. Number 4. The computer mouse as we know it today was invented and developed by Douglas Engelbart. As seen in the picture, the mouse was made of wood, was much larger than today's mouse. It is rectangular in size and had only one small button in the top right corner. And the fact is that why it is named as mouse. With the cord coming out of the back of the mouse, Douglas Engelbart said that the device reminded him of the rodent mouse, and that's the name stuck as mouse. Number 5. In this modern world, we are engaged with the hard disk size which holds of petabyte and exabyte of storage. But in 1979, the first hard disk was introduced and it can hold only the data under 5 MB. And the important thing is that its cabinet was about the size of a 2 refrigerator, and the whole thing weighted in at around 550 pounds, that is 250 kilograms. Number 6. Today we are using Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome for surfing n number of content over there in the internet, but to the fact that is the first ever web browser was released in 1993 and it is called as Mosaic. Number 7. Who does not know about computer viruses and who has not suffered from one of them? The first computer virus in history was developed by Bob Thomas, a programmer at BBN Technologies. The virus is named as Creeper. It was around 1971. After infecting a particular computer, this message began to appear before the astonished eyes of the few users who handled the computers. That is, I'm Creeper, catch me if you can. And the first antivirus named Reaper was clearly to be an answer to the virus Creeper. Number 8. The first Apple computer ever made by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak was made from old parts which they collected for free from their staff. Number 9. Cut, copy, paste. This action, which has saved millions of accumulated hours for users around the world, was developed in 1981 by Larry Tesler, a computer scientist. Number 10. In 1946, ENIAC, that is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was the first general purpose electronic computer introduced. It occupied about 1800 square feet and used about 18,000 vacuum tubes which weighted almost 50 tons. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Do good, be good. Stay connected with KIT and Visaithalam. Thank you.